guys, Martin here recording another video, and welcome to another video made by me. And be sure to leave a like and enjoy the video. So let's go jump straight into it. This game is made by Victoria Gameplay, so be sure to follow her Twitter account, ColonProVictoria. He is male, so be sure to follow his account on Twitter, Victor. So let me just get some show up in here. Oh, let's go jump into the portal. Oh my god, we're here. We're here at the end. So let's have a tour, shall we? This is freaking cool. And look at the end. Look at this map. Look at this. There's this. So I'm never gonna spoil it by now. So let's take a look at this awesome map. There's an end city up in here. Look at this. Let's have a look in this. Is it the same? Oh, it's the same. But there's so many houses in here. Let's take a look. Oh, there's so many loots. Let's check about the different houses. Let's go. My glitching. Look at this. There's so many loots. I think it's cloud. That's a cloud. So let's have a look at the other one. Let's see. Oh my god, that's a long track. Oh my god. Oh, look at this without the night vision. Look at this map. This looks very light and so dark in here. Let me just quickly light this up. There we go. Look at this. Let's have a look at the one different to the other houses. This and look at this upstairs. Look at this. Whoa, this is awesome. Let's have a look at this. So guys, thank you so much for watching this, and I leave description below the link in this map, so you better check out my video and check the other I didn't explore this much yet, so you better download it to check it out. And be sure to leave a like button and subscribe to my channel. So guys, see you again next time.